Hi friends, this video shows how to change Zee5 live streaming video quality to 4K. During live streaming, go down, select video quality, select it. Here you can see the options Auto, Full HD, HD and SD. If you select Auto, it will automatically select video resolution based on your internet speed. If you want to manually select Full HD, you can select Full HD from here. If you want to set video quality to 4K, you can set 4K from here, but your TV has to support 4K. If your TV supports 4K, you would be able to see 4K option here. From here, you can set 4K and you can watch live streaming in 4K quality. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.